In this video, I'll show you how to use the corner pin mode to place a video or image in any environment that you want. Now, you'll only understand this when I show you. So let's assume we add this particular video right here. Now, it's a video kind of static here, but you can see there's movement. But we have images with a green screen right here. Now, let's say we want to add maybe these vertical videos here. So if I bring this video in and I resize it, you'll notice that it cannot fit in properly. So the only way to do this properly is to use the corner pin mode. And it's this new icon here. And if I click on it, you'll see that this turns red. And you can now change the corner pins of this particular video or image. So let's see what we get here. There we go. There we go. Almost looks like it's almost where we want it to be. So if we actually play that, that is what we get. Looks really awesome. Looks like it's a natural to be there. So we've got that. Let's add maybe this one. And then we scale it to size. And bring it to the corner pin position here again. We can actually just move it here and then add our pins. Add our pin. Almost looks like it's almost there. Let's bring this down slightly. Here we go. Press on Control to kind of allow you to move to other sections because they're almost at the same level. And if you let it be like that, not going to allow you to kind of do any maneuvers. So you see we still have some green screen there. So move it to where you want it to be. And as always, you can always detach the canvas, maximize it so that you see clearly where you need to go. For example, we still have some section here. Yeah, that looks good. So if I actually play this, that is what we get. We still seem to have like a green screen somewhere here. So you can still manipulate this slightly. But you see what the corner pin mode helps with is that you can place media in any sort of environment. Like it doesn't really need to be in the same orientation. And this is really, really big and huge in Camtasia. That's it for this video. That is how to use the corner pin mode to place any media in any environment in Camtasia 2023. Thanks for watching.